Okay, this is how it looks all done. Not the fanciest, not the best, but not bad. For $4 was the tablecloth at Walmart. The 100, I believe it's 102, the biggest one you could get. 102 by 90 rectangle. Buy the biggest, you can always cut it down. So that's my little cheapskate repair of a canopy. I just don't have the patience to go from store to store looking for outdoor fabric. They did have some, but it was super thick vinyl. My sewing machine never would have went through it. So I did this with the Velcro tape, guys. And I bought this super thick, sturdy, heavy-duty one. It was a couple of bucks more, but it's worth it because it holds this even in wet weather and it won't come off. But I bought 2 tablecloths in case this rips to get me through the season. 1 tablecloth last year got me through the whole summer, so not bad considering, you know, it's a $4 tablecloth. You know, I'm not having Better Homes and Gardens come to my house, as you see. We're just regular people here. So good luck. Hope this works for you. Hit my link on the bottom if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell and you'll know when another one of my videos comes out. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy the weather. Bye. Okay, as you see, this is the inside of the canopy. I took the Velcro. I took the sticky stuff off the back of each side. I kept the 2 pieces together. This way when I stick them where I want them, it's going to be exactly where it's to stay. That one I did a little too tight, as you can see. It's coming apart a little. So I did back it up with another one on the other side. You can't see from here, but that's what I did. And it's pretty self-explanatory. I just pulled the fabric down around where I wanted to grab it with the Velcro and stuck it there. And that can all come apart, but very hard to do. I used the extra heavy duty Velcro. They have 3 different levels. It's extra heavy duty and it resists moisture, which you need being this is outside, okay? So good luck, everyone. That's my cheap skate canopy for your 3-man swing or 2-man swing. And getting ready for the summer here in Long Island. Hope you enjoyed my little video. I have to wait for my husband to get home to bring up the rest of the cushions for the furniture. I can't do it. I have a bad back. So have a great day, guys. Enjoy the beautiful weather. I hope you have a great summer. And hit my link if you want to be a subscriber. And give me a thumbs up if you like my video. And there's the notification bell that lets you know when I get another video out. I'll be doing crafts, cooking recipes, and helpful household hints, all right? All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.